Hey guys, Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out our 2025 Sea Ray SLX 260 Surf. As you can see from the exterior, this is in the Arctic white hull color and then also has the beautiful onyx black stripe going through it. Jump inside to check out some of the features. All right guys, now aboard the SLX 260 Surf. Up here in the bow, one of the best seats in the house. So one thing to mention about the SLX models is not only do you have one of the most beautiful materials on this boat, but you also do have very comfort options going on. So we have drop-down armrests, so comfort is key, like I was saying. Not only that, but you have a very sporty bow when it comes to the SLX models. So it is a little bit more tapered in the bow, but the look that sets it off, and not only the look, but also the functionality, is having that beautiful stainless steel windlass anchor off the bow. You also do have a washdown as well, so you can keep that anchor looking perfect all the time. And that goes across all the 260 SLX models there. We also have your water fill up over on the port side, your waste dump on the starboard side, so really easy access up here in the bow. Now, coming back to behind the windshield in the cockpit, this is really where the party's at, because this boat really shines back here in the cockpit. You're gonna notice that we have twin bucket seats here that are fiberglass. Comfort is absolutely key on these. So not only does it give you a firm seat, but also a very sporty seat. You'll notice that we do have flip-up bolsters for both port and starboard side. So both captain and co-captain are comfortable as they can be. Not only that, I do want you guys to also notice as we're walking around this boat, do you see any speakers? You don't, because they're all hidden under these mesh grills for a very, very sleek and appealing look. So now if you guys pay attention to the floor, you can see that we have an absolutely amazing design, very unique sea deck pattern. Also, you'll see a much different pattern all throughout all the upholstery on the interior. Not only that, this is also going to be your first model in the SLX lineup to also have a toilet on board. So you got a beautiful head system here. You can drop down and be very comfortable in there as well. So it is very usable. And what I love is that you also do have a magnet that holds the door open, so that way you have no risk of hitting your head on something when you're entering in. Then, aside from that, onto the starboard side, we have our beautiful helm station, as we've got twin Simrad chart plotters, where one can display your engine information while the other gives you navigation, and you can display lots more information on there. Then we also do have our normal analog switches for your blower, so basically a lot of your commonly used switches for your nighttime operation and all is all right there. And then if you notice, the throttle there is all digital with active trim built in. So as you can see, everything is very effortless on this boat. And then also, this being the surf model, I want to point out basically the water sport tab that you see on the Simrad screens. Everything seamlessly works together to where you can fill up all of your ballast and basically have all your controls right here. Look at all your different levels. Then we can easily switch over to our water sports tab and be able to control everything that we're going to be doing for the day, whether that be wakeboarding, surfing, setting that target speed, and being able to adjust the steepness of that wave. Then coming back to the stern of the boat, so we're going to see that we got really nice wraparound seating over here. Storage is absolutely plentiful as well, as you got storage underneath every one of these seats. Then if we take a look at the beautiful motor that's under here as well, we have a 350 horsepower, 6.2 liter MerCruiser, and as you can tell, the motor is on right now. It purrs like a kitten, but it packs a punch. And then coming on to the stern here, as we walk through, you'll realize that I'm not hitting our board racks because they easily flip to the outside of the boat or flip back in for storage reasons whenever you're going into a dry stack facility or something like that. Then, again, one of the best spots on the boat right back here is in the stern. So not only do we have a lounger where you have controls for your radio, even ability to charge your devices and keep your drink somewhere, but we also do have easy access storage back here, most commonly used for drinks. So as you can tell, entertainment is key back here, whether you're going to be dropping down the swim platform for the guys to load up their surfboards and wakeboards, or just come back here for a drink and have a good time. So, all right guys, so now if you want to come down to the marina, check this boat out, see what it's like to live the SLX experience, just give us a call, and thank you guys for watching.